To install Smart Online Order, you will need to go to clover.com from a computer, from your laptop, and then go to the dashboard. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you're at the correct location because your account can have multiple locations there, okay? So you want to make sure you find the right location, and you find that by going to account and setup, business information. Once you see the address is correct, the city is correct, the phone number is correct, the business hours look good, it's all been added, then you're ready to proceed to the next step. Remember, business hours is important to have this because these are the hours that people can order online, okay? So make sure these are added. And if you ever come back and need to change your business hours, just do it from here and it will automatically update on the website. All right, the next step we're gonna do is install the application. So first thing we do is you press more tools, and then we're gonna do a search for the application. So once this loads, just type in Smart Online Order, and then let it find it. And once it finds it, it's the blue icon right here, okay? Once you click on that, you wanna press connect right here, connect, and then choose unlimited orders. This is for all restaurants. If you're a restaurant, you already have a website, choose unlimited orders, and then press accept. This is for retail, so you don't have to worry about this one. This one is if you don't have a website. So in this case, we already have a website, we just want the order online. So we're gonna press accept. And the next step is it will take you to the setup screen. So from here, choose this option, okay? You may be wondering what all these different options. If you choose unlimited orders, it assumes you already have a website. Now, the main thing to know is what kind of website do you have? Do you have GoDaddy, Wix, Squarespace? If you don't know what kind of website you have, just choose this option and it will do everything else for you, okay? So just choose this option. If you are a web developer, then, and you know you have a WordPress website and you know how WordPress works, choose this option. If you're a business owner and you're not quite familiar with how websites work, just choose this option, okay? Everything will be set up for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and press next. Now, this is very important. A lot of people usually mess up on this part. So what you wanna do is you want to add your business name here. So for example, if your business name is Mike's Pizza, just type in Mike's Pizza. That's it, just like that. No .com, nothing else, just like that, okay? So, but in this case, we're gonna have a different business name, okay? So for this one, we're gonna use Papa Pizza, P-A, Papa Pizza, okay? And that's the one we're gonna use for this location. So I'm gonna go one step further and actually add the location here, which is, let me find out what location it's. So we see it's Plainville, okay? If you have more than one location and you're setting up your first location, you wanna differentiate your first, second, third, fourth location. So if this one is in Plainville, what you can do, if you have more than one location, it is do this. At the end, put Plainville, okay? This is how you differentiate your different locations. But in this case, we only have one location, so we're gonna just use that, okay? Just like that. And then we're gonna put Papa Pizza, and then just fill out all this other information, okay? And then make sure to upload a logo. What's the logo? Let me show you what a logo is. This is a logo right here. Let me scroll down so you guys can see the logo. Okay, I guess I can't scroll down, but this is a logo right here. So we're gonna go ahead and copy down the logo, save image as. I'm gonna call it Papa Pizza logo. Just save it on your desktop, okay? Now, next thing you do is upload a header. So this is the logo. This is a header image. Header image appears on the top of the website. If you don't have a header image or a food image, then you can get one. Here's one website I recommend. Type in the word Unsplash. Okay, it's called Unsplash right here. And then this one has images that are not copyright protected. That means you can use them on your website. See, the internet source of freely usable images. Okay, so just type in pizza, find the image that closely resembles your business and use that. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one as the header image. Header image pop up. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use that one. And then you can upload the header image here. And then once you do all that, you will press submit. Once you press submit, it will take up to 60 seconds to create the order online page for you. So give it about 60 seconds for it to be created. Okay, once it's created, you will see it right here. Okay, this is the order online page. We're gonna go ahead and click on it. And this is what the order online page looks like. Okay, this comes from the Clover inventory. Okay, everything is imported from your Clover POS. So here's the order online page. So the only thing we have to change on this one is the logo. We can keep this logo or we can change it. And to change this logo, there's another video on YouTube on how to do that. But for now, let's go ahead and go back to this section here, because we have to do some additional changes. Okay, so one important change you have to do is you have to press order receipts, and then you have to check the box order note and show customer info. This will show the special instructions on the printed receipt. This will show the customer's name on the receipts. And then once you do that, you have to press payment receipts, which is also under account and setup. And then sorry, this one only customer information. Okay, this shows the customer's name on the printed payment receipt. So again, right there. And then one last step we have to do is we have to go to order types. This is very important because if you only have one or two order types, you'll need one more. In this case, it looks good because we have more than two order types. If you only see two order types, you have to make one more and make that third one your default. So either it's dine-in, pick-up, to go. Only those can be your default. Don't make online orders default, because this will print on every in-store receipt. We want this to only print on online receipts. Okay, again, so to briefly recap, we installed the app, we went to account and setup, make sure the business address and phone number was correct, and then we did these as a default order type. Okay, and that's how you do that. And the next step, what you want to do is click on this link, click on this one next to log in. Very important to watch this video right here. It says what to do next right here. Watch this video. A lot of people don't see this video or they forget to watch it, but if you watch, it will help you a lot. And also check your email and then click on this link right here, because this is very helpful, because once you log into the back end, this will become very helpful for you as well. So watch this video, click on this link, see how I clicked on it, see how this has helpful articles. Let's say I want to hide an item. I press the word hide and I press hide an item, and it will show me exactly how to do that. See, it says click here, and then press hide from website. If you want to hide a modifier, just type in the words for modifier, hide or change the name of the modifier right there. All right, and that's how you do changes after your online order page is created. All right.